One of our top picks in London, this modern hotel is in London Docklands, 0.1 miles from Canning Town Station, a 20-minute drive from the O2 Arena and a 10-minute drive from the Excel Exhibition Centre. It has large air-conditioned rooms with power showers. The colourful rooms feature work desks and a TV with Freeview channels. Rooms also have hairdryers, tea, coffee facilities and telephones. The Holiday Inn Express Royal Docks has secure on-site car parking and a 24-hour front desk. The on-site bar offers a selection of cold and hot beverages. A free breakfast is served daily. Guests can also make use of the business facilities on site. The Holiday Inn Express Royal Docks is outside London's congestion zone. London City Airport is 2 miles from the hotel, and Canary Wharf is a 10-minute drive away or 2 stops on the Underground. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.